Alright, Jeremy with your Black Belt Broker Team coming out with you Food Friday. Kind of up in the northeast side of town, we're hitting up Pie and Grinders, Colorado Pies and Grinders. Obviously pizza and grinders. I haven't had a grinder in a good long while. There's a place where I grew up in Boise, fantastic grinders. And they had a bunch of different options, and my favorite part of this place, I said, hey, can you? And he's like, if it's on the menu, I can do it. I make everything from scratch right here in front of you, so everything's made to order. What did you like? And I was like, I want the hot Italian sausage on the hot Italian grinder. He was like, done. And honestly, it was super reasonable. This thing is loaded to the gills with stuff. They slap the cheese on last, melt it, and then throw your veg on. So it's got Italian sausage in here on a hot Italian. I'm really excited about trying this one. In fact, I'm gonna do it on camera. Look at this monster. That is good. That's a tasty sandwich right there. So yeah, if you're up at research in Tom Bradley area, researching powers, stop in here. They got beer, they got wine. Oh, they got CBD infused pizzas and sandwiches. That's kind of crazy. Haven't had it. Maybe we'll get it the next time we're here. Jeremy and your Black Belt Broker Team. Catch you on the next one.